So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try the curling cream. You see there's a little bit there. Let's see. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. This week I bring you my first impression on a new curl defining cream. So let's get into it. So first I'm gonna prep my hair with the Husk leave-in conditioner 5-in-1 spray of argan oil. I have a review, so I'm just gonna leave the link here. And I'll be back just to talk to you and show you the new curling cream that I'm gonna be trying. So guys, this is the curling defining cream that I found. It's from the brand Bioland that you've seen me try some of their products. I'm gonna leave a picture of it that I find online just for you guys to see the packaging very well. But essentially, just let me try to translate it to you because it's all in Spanish, so I just have to translate it. So it's linseed curl defining cream. It's a hydrating styling cream for curly hair. So it defines curls and it promotes their form through whole day. So it's actually holds. It nourishes and conditions, deeply conditions the hair, providing shine, softness, and getting rid of frizz. So it says it has no salt, no sulfates, no parabens, no artificial colors, no stearic acid, no grease, no animal greases, and no synthetic vitamin. And here it just says that it has vitamin E and omega-3. It says how to use it. Apply sufficient amount to damp or dry hair depending on the desired texture and styling effect. Do not rinse. So let's see how the curling cream is. Yes. Oh. Okay, so it has a soft, sweet smell, scent. Sorry. It's very smooth. You can barely notice it in my hands. Looks like it's drying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try the curling cream. You see there's a little bit there. Let's see. I like to try this, test this out just before I use a little bit of gel. I'm gonna mix it. So it creates like a paste, but it seems to be working very well. I don't know if you noticed, before the other one that I had make clumps, this one is very smooth, very smooth, and feels smooth on my skin. So I'm very excited about trying it. Yeah, it leaves a pleasant smell. Let's see, I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll be back because this is my first impression. I'm not reviewing the curling cream yet. But I want to use to show you what I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna be using for probably a couple of months, or at least a month or so while I'm doing this, before I actually do a proper review of this defining cream, looking at the ingredients and see if it's actually good for our hair. So yeah, I'm gonna come here when my hair is done just to show you guys how the results are. So guys, this is the final result. I'll show you an up close of the curls. Wow. I really like it. Yeah, I try to style my hair both sides differently. I don't know if you noticed in the time lapse. This side I did with the praying hands method. I rake the curling cream, the defining cream, the Bioland defining cream on each section, and then I use the praying hands method with the gel on top of it just to glaze on the gel, and then I just scrunch it up on this side. So you can see the curls are defined and they look bouncy and a little bit well, quite shiny to be honest. But on this side I did it the same way I do it, which is apply the defining cream on each section, and then I did the same thing with the gel, and then I came with my goodie brush, my straight talk goodie brush, and I style the curls as normal as the way that I do it. And look at the curls. I don't know, you guys, I quite like my left side more than the right side, but comment below which side you prefer. But the overall, the performance of the defining cream, I mean, this is the first time I use it, and this is my first impression. I'm really impressed with this one. So hopefully I will completely figure it out, because while starting to use it, I didn't know how much I had to use. Well, I forgot to do my mustache. I'm just gonna do my mustache after, but I wanted to come to you guys and share with you my final thoughts. So yeah, wait until I make that video with the ingredients, because I'm interested in knowing how my hair is gonna look after using this cream for a while. So yeah, and even this side has a lot more volume than this side. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!